have 5 skips. You can only have 5 skips.
No, we're playing Monkey Marathon, bro.
Yes, and don't go to level 2.
Guys, we
No safe zone. No safe zone.
Okay.
Yes, no safe zone.
no, we're not completing the
Yes, no safe zone. We're not scaredy cats. What?
Well, he's right there.
Wait, what?
I died.
Oh!
If you die and you go in safe zone.
He's not chasing us.
He's not.
Yes, he's not
We're not
chasing us.
completing the level. We're not completing the level. We're not completing the level.
Oh,
Why? We're not completing the level. But now
We're not competing. We're not beating the level. This is Monkey Marathon.
Exactly.
Just go.
Everybody, go skip. Go skip.
We're coming.
Skip. Let's skip.
Try to wall climb.
No, we're not skipping this level. This level is easy.
No, come back. Everyone, don't fall into the bin. No, my controller. No.
Go back to level 1, everybody. So we play Monkey Marathon.
No, let's just not do Monkey Marathon. They're not gonna listen.
Exactly.
I will go to level 1. I'll listen. Yeah, but I want more people, but these guys cannot listen, bro. Because
Go back to level 1.
Okay. I'll go back to level 1.
Oh my god, bro. Why do you guys tell
Big boy, come pick up your phone. Your phone ringing. Your phone ringing. Come pick up the phone, big boy.
Yo,
Hey, guys, come on, guys. Where are you? Black, where are
yo,
you?
everyone, level 14.